one more time we're there with another unique recipe. This time, guys, I got me some Guinness punch. Yeah, where I make some strong back, some putty back punch, some mix up this time on the channel. You know what I mean? A lot of these ingredients can be substituted, you know, for whatever you want, or you know, anything you don't eat or drink, you can just take it out, you know what I mean, and just add your own liking. But may I say, easy and simple recipe. In Jamaica, in most households, at least one time for the week, you have the elder people make one of these. Either your uncle, your father, your mother, somebody who work hard, the provider of the house, they normally make something like this and drink. Yeah, the kids always get a little bit of it, not too much, you know. But this is like about PG-16. You know what I mean? So, yes guys, I'm gonna show you the ingredients I have and let's move on with it.
It name help me cook my Sunday dish. Me call it rice and peas, and beach fish.
Alright, here we go. We have some raw peanut, we have some oats. You understand? We have 2 Guinness, we have a teaspoon of cinnamon, we have some evaporated milk, we have some almond milk. And right here we have 2 eggs. If you don't want the eggs in there, you don't have to put the eggs. These eggs can be substituted. Look at that. So you see that? It's not too thick and it's not too runny. It's okay, right there in the middle. You know what I mean? Look at it, my beautiful people. Nice and smooth. You know what I mean? Not a whole heap of big chops in there, nothing like that. Just nice and smooth and runny, you know? And this is always good. This is my favorite part, as always, you know? When I make something, I always enjoy, you know, tasting it, you know, see where I go wrong, see where I can improve. Because trust me, not everything is perfect and not everyone is perfect. So if you try and you miss, you go again, man. But me, I've done this a lot of times, so I know that this, let me check it out. Oh my God. One thing I can say, this Guinness tastes different from our Jamaican Guinness, but this Guinness, I give it a little bit more bittery taste, but wow. Wow. You know what this needs? This needs 2 cubes of ice. Yes, thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel, man, so you can get lots more recipes like this. Kenny Good Vibes TV saying, I'm out.